Look at Louis, look at Dewey here, man. We back at it, man. This is stage 2. We getting it going on. Got the young boy on it, man. Old time. He gonna let us know what we need to do. And man, Sean tilting that thing. Y'all see it? Good job, big boy. Good work. Good work. Good work.
Hey, just turn around and come back to it again.
Hey, Louis, I got a quick question for you, Louis. How you feeling? How you feel about this operation right here, man, that you got going on? I know this new project, man. What you thinking about it, man?
Oh, man, we got the young bull on the motherfucking ones and twos. We got Ace on the camera, man. We killing it. I feel like can't nobody stop us.
So now with this new project, man, done, man, what made you say, man, you just took a jump out here? This your first time doing something like this, am I correct?
Yeah, nah. I mean, I do it all the time in my own backyard, but guess what? I said it's time for my talents to get spread through the world. My man took me up. He know this my first time doing it. But he giving me the opportunity, man. We gonna make him proud.
Man, so man, what are you looking for with that opportunity, man? What type of doors are you looking to open up, or you
man,
just man?
I want it to be contagious. I want his neighbors to see what's going on. I want them to call us. I wanted to come back. You know what I mean?
Okay, I understand full circle, man. This Dewey, man, aka man, Hyena, man.
Hey,
I'm
man,
signing
I
off.
appreciate you, Dewey, man.
Yes, sir. I'm signing off, man. Let y'all know, man. This is second stage. We in it, man.
You know we getting to the money, baby.
Yes, sir. I'm out of here, man. I gotta get back to it.